Hello everyone, it's great to see you all again. Today, I will help you troubleshoot the project currently in use or unable to perform operation errors that may pop up when you're trying to add or edit properties or customize a project in AutoCAD Plant 3D. Let's begin by looking at what might be causing these problems. Other users could still be working on the project. Someone may not have closed the project properly. Lock files like orthopart.xml.plck, pipingpart.xml.plck, P&ID part.xml.plck, isopart.xml.plck, and misc.xml.plck might still be around after the project is closed. An unexpected crash while using Plant 3D can also lead to this issue. The user might have forcefully closed Plant 3D through the task manager. If the project files are on a network drive, they may not refresh correctly, which can block file release. For Vault and SQL Server projects, the user might not have the right permissions to access the Plant 3D project. The local user data cache may need to be cleared. Now let's address these issues step by step. First, ask the users if they have closed the project. If they say yes, that's a good start. Next, check the Plant 3D project folder to see if the 5 XML lock files are gone. If they are, you're all set. If they're still there, we need to investigate further. Ask the users if they closed the project correctly to ensure all 5 XML files are released. For more information, don't forget to check our initial video on Plant 3D important workflows linked in the I button. If the XML files are still present or you can't delete them manually, it might be due to network sync issues. If possible, contact your IT department to restart the server when it's not in use. For those using Vault or SQL Server projects, lack of permissions to the project database could be the issue. To resolve this, refer to our specific video on SQL Server setup and configuration, also linked in the I button. Lastly, we need to clear the local user data cache. Make sure AutoCAD is closed to finish this step. Start by opening Windows File Explorer and go to the path mentioned in the notes section of this video description. Then, double-click on PNP Local Data Cache Purger.exe and choose the Purge option. After that, click OK. Check the Plant 3D project folder to see if the 5 XML lock files are gone. If they are gone, then your problem is fixed. Now, you can restart Plant 3D and continue your modeling work. That's all for today's session. Well done on resolving the project currently in use or unable to perform operation error in AutoCAD Plant 3D on your own. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank you for being with us, and we hope to see you next time.